Welcome to a moment of calm in your day. Today we're baking something special, golden potato bread filled with savory goodness and made with love. Whether you're baking for one or sharing with friends, this is your time to slow down, savor the process and enjoy the simple joy of homemade bread. We begin with something magical, an overnight starter, also known as a preferment. It helps our bread develop deep flavor and a light, airy texture. You'll need French flour, yeast and water. Stir the yeast into the water until fully dissolved. Then add the flour and mix well. It should look like a thick batter. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for 30 minutes. Then move it to the fridge and let it rest overnight, or at least 16 hours. The next day, let's make the fillings. Start with 300 grams of tender cooked diced potatoes and 400 grams of savory king oyster mushrooms. Heat a pan with a drizzle of olive oil, just enough to coat the ingredients. Toss in the potatoes and mushrooms, letting them sizzle to a golden finish. Season simply with salt and black pepper, stirring gently for rich, balanced flavor. Now it's baking time. We'll mix our dough using French flour, malt extract, our prepared starter, veau sugar yeast, tea salt, ice water. Place all ingredients into a mixing bowl. Start on low speed for 4 minutes to bring the dough together, then mix on high for another 4 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it stretches into a thin window pane without tearing. It should feel elastic and smooth. Place the dough into a lightly greased bowl. Let it rise in a warm spot, around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, with a touch of humidity for 30 minutes. Now for a gentle fold. Dust the top with a little flour. Fold the bottom third of the dough up, then the top third down. Turn it 90 degrees and repeat. This folding helps the dough build strength without kneading again. Let it rest for another 30 minutes. Now we divide our dough. Portion it into 200-gram pieces. To shape each piece, cup your hands and gently roll it across your counter. The goal is a smooth, taut surface that holds its shape. This part is wonderfully meditative. Place the rounded dough pieces on a tray with space between them and proof for another 30 minutes in the fermentation box. Flatten each dough ball into an oval. Place about 50 grams of filling in the center, then roll it up and pinch to seal. Gently shape into a small loaf. Let the shaped loaves proof one last time. 40 minutes at warm room temperature with a bit of moisture in the air. Before baking, gently press the top with a mesh tray and dust with rye flour for a beautiful rustic finish. Score a few diagonal cuts with a bread lame. Preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius top heat and 180 degrees Celsius bottom heat. Just before baking, add a quick burst of steam, or place a tray of hot water at the bottom of your oven. Bake for about 18 minutes. When baking at 230 degrees Celsius, that oven gets dangerously hot, so safety first. Always use heat-resistant mitts or gloves to handle trays and dishes. Keep loose sleeves away and open the door slowly to avoid steam burns. Remember, pans stay scorching long after they're out. Protect your hands, work carefully, and let's keep the baking fun and injury-free. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope this golden loaf brings a bit of warmth to your table and peace to your heart. Until next time, bake gently, live fully, and savor every bite.